Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 50, which is going to cover number 40 up to number 50, right? We'll be covering LUNC, EGLD, Trust Wallet, Terra Luna Classic, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Tezos, AAVE, Exchange, and Theta Network. Let's get straight into it. LUNC against BTC. This is good. We are going sideways. Sideways is good. Sideways means that potentially we could be reversing back up. Usually when a bearish trend ends, we'll go sideways for a while before going back up. This is how it curves back up, right? If you look over here, this is how it curves back up, right? This was a fake curve. Yeah, this was a real one, right? So I feel like we are also gonna curve back up eventually. Of course, this could be a fake curve and we could still drop a little bit lower. But my point is that it feels to me like LUNC is moving closer and closer to the skinny pink line. Usually when the price goes close to the skinny pink line, it has a knack of wanting to break free towards the upside. I want to break free. So it feels like LUNC wants to break free from the skinny pink line towards the upside. LUNC against USDT. We're still very far away from the skinny pink line. So relative to BTC, LUNC is pretty strong. Any signs of a reversal? No. Any signs of a chart pattern? You know, whether if it is a bearish continuation or not, it is not that clear. I like to assume that this is but it's not. So it's a very low quality. You know, if anything, I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This whole thing. And then, this should be a 5, which means that we should be taking out the lows over here. Sub $39, right? We are at 45, so maybe a little dip before we reverse back up, right? And we might even get 5 here. 1, 2, come down for 3, 4, maybe 5 before we reverse back up. Something like that. So it feels to me like the end is just not too far away. So the only question we have is, when is the end going to come? Is this the bottom? Don't think so. I think we'll probably have a new bottom. So be careful about going to a trade too soon for LUNC. Moving on to be Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet against Bitcoin. We're up and away. We're above the skinny pink line. We're just on an upwards trajectory. We have a target over here at 20,000 Satoshis. We're at 15,000 right now. So and I don't see any bearish reversal. If anything, I would still be anticipating more upside to come for Trust Wallet against BTC. Trust Wallet against USDT. We are. I mean, if you would like to consider this as a complete consolidation, then we're probably on our way up. We have a target over here. Ta-da! $4.90. We're at 262. So this is another 84%. That's quite a lot. But the only question we have is, will we see a surprise dip before we go back up? We're not too sure. We are not too sure. We could just slowly be crawling our way out for Trust Wallet against USDT. So we're still adamant that there is more upside to come for Trust Wallet. Moving on will be Luna Classic. Luna Classic against USD. We'll look at it on Binance USD. So for Luna Classic, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there could be another one, 5. Right, 5 waves down. I mean, of course, it could just be 3 waves down, and then we could be reversing back up for sure. But again, I think this is a falling channel that Luna Classic is on, and I think the sooner we find the bottom, the faster it is we could see a bullish reversal if it were to happen, right? If we continue crawling slowly, then there could be a slam down, something like this. Slam down, right? Slam. But the thing is, we're not sure, so we're not going to be rushing into anything. I think there's still another leg for Luna Classic, so if anything, the trade is still a short for Luna Classic. Axie Infinity against BTC. There was a sudden rise for the past 5 days, and so it pushed Axie Infinity into the into the top 50. All other coins have been dropping, but Axie Infinity has been rising, right? You look at number 40 all the way down to number 63. No one else for the past 7 days is up 19% or more except Axie Infinity. So Axie Infinity is potentially, I don't think so, but it could be reversing, right? We've been going down, and this is the first sign of life. Second sign of life. Good things come in 3. Axie Infinity against USDT, but there's just nothing much yet. Nothing for us to work with. Nothing much for us to work with yet. So Axie Infinity, we actually had a target over here at $10. Way back in September, we asked, is Axie Infinity going to single digits, right? We had a target over here. Ta-da! $10 freaking dollars. And you know what? We hit $10 and we actually overachieved our targets to the very low of $4. It's crazy stuff. So yep, that's Axie Infinity for you. Could we be reversing? Yeah, I feel like we could be reversing. So yeah, there you go. There you freaking go. Hit targets, yo. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, any clear signs of a reversal? Not yet. And just like AXS BTC, there are some signs of life, right? Look at this, some signs of life. Of course, we fell as well. So there could be danger. There could be danger. We could still hit a little bit lower first before we hit higher, right? We are expecting Axie Infinity to eventually reverse back up, but we don't see the reversal yet. So yeah, be careful. 161 down to $4. 161 down to $16 is really 19%. $16 down to $4 is like how much is that? 16 to 4, that's 70. There's another 80%. Yeah, 75%. So it's quite brutality. So be careful. Be very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Axie Infinity. Sandbox, Sand BTC. So this is Sandbox BTC. Yeah, we still feel like there could still be more downside for Sandbox. The next level of support is over here at around 2005 Satoshis. We're at 3004. So yeah, a little bit more to go before a potential reversal. We are very severely oversold, and I would expect some sort of a reaction, positive bullish reaction coming on for Sand against BTC eventually. But yeah, I don't see any clear signs of a reversal yet, so we gotta be very careful about rushing into anything. Yeah, the signs are still pointing towards the downside. Nope, nothing much to work with yet for Sand BTC. Sand USDT, yeah, we're continuing our downwards move as well, right? 1, 2, is this 3, 4, 5? Could this be the final wave? And we are reversing back up for Sandbox. Yes? We are not too sure. We're not too sure ourselves. But we are in a channel. Right, look at this channel. It touches everything perfectly. What a beauty. What a beauty. Yeah. So the question we always ask, we always ask the question is this the bottom? Could there be another lower low? Yeah, probably. Things aren't really exactly bullish yet for Sandbox, so be careful about going to a trade too soon, right? The rally is so weak, so yeah, I wouldn't be, betting on a reversal. Not so soon. Eventually, I think, but yeah, I think there's still a little bit more. One more leg. Sandbox, Tezos against BTC. This is Tezos. What's this? It's just down. Tezos against USD on Coinbase. Yeah, we still have a target over here, 80 cents. We're at 99 cents. So a little bit more downside to go. I think if we were to hit towards 80 cents, we'll probably take out the lows over here. We'll probably hit towards like, I don't know, 60 cents or something. And then hopefully maybe some sort of a reversal coming for Tezos, right? There's a very nice A, B, C, D, E potential for Tezos, right? And this could coincide with the next Bitcoin halving at 2024. We think so, but we're not too sure yet how much lower things are going to go. So yeah, I still think that there's another leg lower. So I mean, of course, I could be wrong, but yeah, be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Tezos. AAVE against BTC. This is AAVE. AAVE has been going sideways. This is good. Again, usually before a bear trend ends, we go sideways for a while before coming back up. So is there a rally coming on for AAVE BTC? I sure do hope so. We've already crossed the skinny pink line and we've been flirting with the skinny pink line. So maybe we might see some sort of a rally. But yeah, the chart patterns have not been that clear for AAVE against BTC. AAVE against USDT. Yeah, again, we're not exactly sure what the AAVE wheels are trying to do, right? Is this an A, B, C, D, E in the making, right? Break higher. You know, is this the low of the low, and then we're gonna reverse back here? Will we see another lower low here? Not too sure. We're not too sure. No clear signs of a reversal chart pattern yet. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for AAVE. Axie and BTC. We look at it on Bitfinex. What's this? Nothing much. Axie and USD, Coinbase. Yeah, Axie and USD. Bitfinex. Yeah, Axie and USD. Look at it on Kraken. How about Kraken? Wow! Yeah, doesn't look like there's anything though. So I'd be very careful. Theta BTC. Yeah, this is good. Sideways is good, right? Slow crawl down, up, and then going sideways. We never form new lows. So my guess is this could already be the low for Theta against BTC. Not too sure. We're still under the skinny pink line. So as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain bias bearish for Theta against BTC. Theta USDT. Yeah, we have a target over here, 65 cents. We're at 87 cents. I think, again, I still think that there's a little bit more downside to come for Theta. I wouldn't be rushing to anything for Theta yet. So, yeah, be very, very careful. Very, very careful about rushing into anything for Theta. I just don't see the bullish reversal yet. I think if we were to drop to 65 cents, we might even take out the lows over here, right? And it might drive us down to maybe even 50 cents. Of course, I could be wrong, and this could already be the very bottom of Theta, right? This whole thing could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pooh, and then we start reversing back up. Best case scenario, right? We're already very, very oversold, very, very oversold. So there should be some sort of a reaction eventually, and we are waiting for that, but we don't see it yet. So we are being extra careful about rushing into anything for Theta. All right, I guess that's it for today's top 50. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!